Welcome to this 170 Sprinter. So on our galley side, we have the extension right here. In the extension, we house our microwave. We have toilet storage right below. Got our large volume trash can. We have our 12-inch subwoofer right there. We have a 1-burner induction stovetop. We have our hidden style sink with an extension hose. We've got a 115-liter Vitrafigo stainless fridge. Right here we have our double upper cab, which serves as a pantry. Quick access storage. On here we have our classic super sweet upper cabinet. Right here we have our closet. Plenty of organization options. And over here we have our super sleeper. Seating, stable table surface for 2 to 4 people. We have a couch back here. Bed can go down. Bed can pull out. Full queen size bed. No compromises, just like at home with space around. Thanks for touring the van. We'll see you soon.